Hey everybody, it's your girl Makeup Mommy featuring Tisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have finally had an opportunity to do another makeup tutorial. Today's tutorial is a cut crease with a pop of shimmer slash glitter. I hope you guys stick around and watch. It's very quick and it's a full face video. So go ahead and continue watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up while you're at it, you guys. And here we go. Alright, so first we're going to start with our Prime Time by Bareminerals face primer. We're just going to prime our face with that. And then we are going to go in with our Tarte foundation in the color Deep Honey. And we're just going to blend that all over our face. And I like to put it on my hand because it's just convenient. I don't have to, you could do it either way. You could put it on the brush or you could put it on your hand. I just prefer my hands just to force a habit, you know. But go ahead and blend all of that in. And don't mind me, y'all. I'm always freaking jamming out to something. My husband was playing something in the other room, so I'm just jamming out to that, y'all. Alright, so now we're going to take our Pro Concealer by LA Girl in the color Warm Honey. And we are going to use that to highlight our face. And I normally don't use highlighter or contour most of the time, just because, you know, sometimes it looks a little pasty and I couldn't really get the color right. It took me a while to find my right shade, but now that I found it, I think I'm in love. So here's just how I contour. It may not be, you know, the typical way to contour, but this is just how I do it. Blend it out and just keep blending, you guys. Blend, blend, blend. Now we're going in with our Pro Concealer by LA Girl. Sorry, it's upside down, you guys, but it's in the color Mahogany, and we're just going to use that to contour the rest of our face. And now we're gonna blend it out just like we did with the highlighter, and just keep blending, you guys. And don't judge me, y'all, I'm crazy. So we're gonna go in with our Buttercup by Sascha setting powder, and we're just gonna set our highlights where we put our highlight at. Just put the setting powder right there and let it bake, baby, bake. Alright, now we're going in with our Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid, and I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to blend it out. I find that blending it is a little bit easier as far as the eyeshadow application. It doesn't come out all clumpy and weird looking. Now we're going to start with my baby, and she's back, the Warrior palette, my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette so far by Juvia's Place. And your girl is turned because it's been a while. So we're going to go in with that medium brown color right in the crease, And we're just gonna blend it in the crease. And now it's time to brush away all that setting powder that we baked on for, I want to say it was about 5 minutes or so, not too long. And I like to brush away the powder on my nose, you know, with a really slim brush, just to kind of hit the right angle of the bridge of the nose. And we go from there. Now we're going in with my other favorite, my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And we are gonna take that medium to dark brown, and we're just gonna blend that right over top of the light brown that we had from the Warrior palette. And now it's time to cut that crease, y'all. We're gonna take our Tarte concealer and we're gonna start to shape our cut crease. Alright, and now we're gonna go in with an angled brush and we're gonna take the Warrior palette and we're gonna tap a little bit of that dark brown in the corners of our eyes, the outer corners of our eyes. Just to give it, you know, just a little bit of definition. Alright, now we're going back into our Zulu palette and we're going to take that shimmery, like peach type color, and we're just going to color in the cut crease. Alright, you guys, we're going back into our Zulu palette with that same color and we're going to highlight our brow bone. And here you see me just blending out the color just to make the lines look a little bit more clean. Now I'm going in with my Sex Kitten eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and make my wings. Now we're going to apply our lashes, you guys. Already applied. Now I went ahead and I'm gonna apply my mascara. And now I'm taking my Galifornia blush by Benefit and I'm just brushing that over my cheeks. And now I'm going in with my lip liner by NYX in the color Espresso and I'm just lining my lips. I just wanted to do like a simple, you know, lip today. I don't want to do anything like crazy or over the top, so I'm just taking my lip liner by NYX and I'm lining my lips. And now I'm going in with my Extra Shine lip gloss by Smashbox, and you guys, this stuff is the bomb. It is literally like super duper glossy, super cute, and I love it. It's just simple and it's popping. Now you guys can choose to leave it like this. This is cute just as is, but your girl likes a little bit of tint on her lips. And going in with my NYX lip gloss. I'm not really sure what color it is, but I will add it in the description box when we are done. But I just go ahead and put that right over top of my lip gloss just to give it a little bit more tone and depth. And last but not least, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and set everything off with our Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And this stuff is the bomb, you guys. Your makeup stays on all day, all night, however long you want it to stay on. But here's our finished look, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was simple enough for you guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button for your girl, and continue watching my videos, you guys. I'm just trying to, do me and help everybody out, and just present something new, something different. So anyways, thank you guys again for watching. It's your girl Makeup Mommy featuring Tisha. Remember again to watch, like, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you later.